In this video, I will show you how to enable app lock on Xiaomi HyperOS. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe or click the follow button to be updated with our latest upload. First, go to Security app. In here, click Manage Apps. Next, tap on App Lock. You then need to turn on App Lock feature, so click Turn On. Enter a security password or pattern. You'll get an option to add your Xiaomi account to be able to reset password. So I'll just click Add. Now select the apps which you want to lock. You can protect these 10 featured apps if you like, but if you don't see the app that you wish to lock, just unlock all these apps, then click Use App Lock. Now look for the app that you want to lock. For this example, I will lock the Pinterest app. Now go to Settings, then tap on Lock Settings. Make sure to set it to when device is locked or after exiting the app. So that's it. When you go back to your home screen and open the Pinterest app, it will require you to unlock the app. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click other videos to keep on watching.